In this video, I'll be showing us how to create and set up AttaPoll account on your phone. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in places outside of the areas where the AttaPoll account is allowed to be created, this video is for you, and this can actually help you get to the point where you create your AttaPoll account. Now, there are certain things you're going to need to be able to create your AttaPoll account, and the first thing is a proxy. I already made a video showing you guys how to get a proxy, and after this video, I'm going to create a playlist and add all the videos that has to do with survey. We're going to add it up in the playlist so you can actually use it to educate yourself on the things that you need to know. So you need to create you need to get a residential proxy. Now I'm going to leave a link to the residential proxy in the description of this video or in the comment section. So what you can do is click on that link, watch the video about proxy, and then get enlightened on how you can actually get a proxy. Now don't use a free proxy for this. Use a paid proxy. It works better. Now the next one you're going to need is you're going to need a US phone number. I've already made a video on that. That video is going to be up, so you're going to need to watch that video to know how to get a US phone number. And the next one you're going to need is you're going to need a cloud device. You want to be doing surveys, you're going to need a phone that shows that you're in the US. Without this may not really work very well for you. I'm not sincere with you. And the cloud device you're going to get is free. For the first 30 days or 31 days, it's going to be for free. And after that, you're going to pay, and you're going to pay as low as $2 to have access to the phone per month. $2 per month. That's not a lot of money. That's what you can actually afford. This particular video right here is going to show you how to do that. And the next you're going to need to get is a survey guide. Survey guide is more like what people call survey demography. Is actually how you answer questions, where you say you're from, the profile you get to create on your survey account that is going to enable you to pass surveys and make money off your survey account. I've already shared that in the community. I have a community, it's a Telegram community. I've already shared that in the community. So I'm going to drop the link to the survey demograph in the description of this video. All you have to do is click on it, join the community, and then you download the demograph, use it to answer your question. Now that is it for the things that you need to actually create your AttaPoll account. And I'm going to go on to walk you through creating your AttaPoll account once you have all of this. Now if you don't have all of this, be sure to see this video, note things down, and then go back and watching the 2 videos I recommended before now, and then you come back to creating your account. If you need to watch this video again, go on to watching it. Alright, so I'm going to assume that you've gotten your cloud phone and your US number, virtual number. Now that you've gotten these two things, you're going to set up your cloud account. Now let's have our guy show you how you're going to set it up and how you're going to create your account.
Type Duo Plus and click enter. This is the website right here. Just tap on it. Once the website opens up, you will need to create your account. Just click get started. Here you can either sign up with your email and password, or you can just sign up with your Google account. If your email is already logged in your Chrome, then there is no need to sign up manually. Just click this Google option and your account will be created instantly. After your account is created, click get started. Then this page will open. Here you can select any kind of Android version you want to use. They have Android 15, Android 12, and Android 11. You can use any one. Then scroll down. Here you can see they say you can create one cloud phone for free. And when you create it, you can use it for 30 days before it will expire. Now your plan is this. Make sure you do surveys and earn enough money before your cloud phone expires. And with AttaPoll, you can dedicate 3 to 5 hours a day doing surveys. Then you will surely earn and make your first 2 to 3 withdrawals. So just click get started again. After you click get started, you will see this pop up. Here is where you need to enter your proxy credentials. First, enter a name for your cloud phone. As for me, I want to call this one survey phone because I will also be using this phone for other surveys as well, not only AttaPoll. So when you buy your proxy, you will receive your IP, port, username, and proxy password. Just copy them one by one and paste them here. I stored my own inside a notepad, so let me just copy them and paste them here. Sorry, I have to hide the credentials because if I show it here, some viewers may use it, which will end up affecting me. After that, click check to see if the proxy is fully working. If you see any error, then you should make sure you are entering the credentials correctly. If you entered everything correctly, you will see this finish button. Just click it to finish the full setup. Now here is your cloud phone and you can use it for your surveys. You can do all kinds of surveys with this cloud phone and you are not paying anything for it for the next 30 days. Just make sure you put in the work and earn enough before the 30 days expires. For you to start using it, just click power on and here you will see the process. Just wait patiently for the setup to finish and the cloud phone will be ready for you to use. So the cloud phone is now ready. Can you see it? It works just like your regular phone. You can do anything with it. Now let's start setting up your AttaPoll account. The first thing you need to do now is to install some apps that you need. So click here, then click app. Switch to official app. Then here you can install the apps you need. If you want to install any app, you can do it here. For now, the only app you need is the AttaPoll app, and you can't find it here, so you can download it from Play Store. This video is getting too long, so I will just install the AttaPoll app and we will continue from there. So I just downloaded the AttaPoll app. After you downloaded the app, open it. Here you can start setting up your AttaPoll account. Click agree to terms and conditions, then click create account. Here you should enter your email address. They will send a confirmation link to your email address. Just open your email app and click on the link they sent you. After that, it will load automatically. Then it will take you to this page where you need to enter your phone number. Remember I told you about how to get your virtual phone number in the beginning of the video? Just enter your US phone number here. Remember, this phone number will also be requested when you want to make your first withdrawal. So make sure you have access to your virtual phone number all the time, because if you lose it, then you won't be able to withdraw your earnings. After entering the phone number, click continue. They will send a code to your phone number. Just enter the code here. As you can see, I just finished setting up my AttaPoll account. Now I can just proceed and start taking surveys and earning free money. Just click continue. Here you will need to enter some basic information for your profile. When it comes to survey, you can't do without a demography, because you need to be answering questions the same way all the time. If not, they will ban your account or stop giving you surveys. So everything I'm doing here is based on my survey demography. If I start entering random things here, then I may lose my account afterwards. Here you will see maximize your earnings with location-based surveys. Just click detect location, because remember we are using a proxy for this cloud phone, and that is the location that will be used. Here you can see the location. So just click looking good to proceed. Choose the language you want, and here you can enable survey notification. This is very important. If you turn it on, anytime there is a survey that matches your profile, you will receive an email, which means you will not be missing out on potential earnings. And that's it. Our AttaPoll account is ready. Here you can see the surveys that I can do to earn. When you just create your account, you will see this first survey. This survey is the one that will determine whether you will be getting surveys or not. And if you do it, you will be paid $1. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is just $3. So make sure you do that first survey. Let me do it now. They will ask you some basic questions about you. Make sure you give correct answers as in your demographic. Any other survey you take should be in line with this one. Otherwise, you may stop getting surveys. All the answers to these questions are already inside the demography, so make sure you have it. So I will just answer all these questions. As you can see, I just finished my first survey and I received the $1 reward. Now I can just keep doing surveys and earning until I get to the minimum withdrawal, which is $3. There are many surveys here and you can just do them and start earning. But my advice is, don't just start answering many surveys immediately. Just allow your profile to stay like this for 24 hours before you start taking surveys.
And that's it, guys. That's how you can create your AttaPoll account from anywhere in the world that's outside approved regions. All right, so now that you know this, it's important that you join the community so that you actually get updates. And even if YouTube takes this video down, you're going to be able to get access to the video when you join the community. So the link is in the description of this video. Be sure to join the community, and guys, I'm going to see you in the next one.